Shujaa yangu naweza sema ni baba yangu. Amekuwa there through thick and thin.
My shujaas are my parents. They have raised me up to be the person I am today.
Ikifuatilia mimi mwenyewe pia ni shujaa. Juu manze najitambua pia.
Mashujaa Day is a day where we celebrate all the people that have loved us, who have been there for us through thick and thin.
Basically, Mashujaa Day to me is a special day that we get to celebrate our heroes. And our heroes, that's by saying our heroes, I mean that's our clients, because they are our biggest heroes. And also not forgetting our sales team and Mint Villa Housing as a whole. We are also Mashujaas because we've been able to deliver 2 projects along Kangundo Road, and our clients are actually happy for that fact. So on this special day of Mashujaa Day, I'd like to urge the clients and whoever is watching this feed that you are free to come to either of our projects, that is Savannah Greens at Joska and Twin Falls City at Mala, and experience what we've been able to deliver. And I can promise you, it's something that will really touch your heart as a Shujaa out there, and you will think twice about making that journey for home ownership.